to another video. I'm your girl Lexi Gold, your girl for all things hair, makeup, fashion, beauty. And today I come to you with a synthetic wig review. Now, if you've been following me for a while on my other social medias, then you know I'm a synthetic wig girly. I know what I'm talking about. I've been doing this for years, okay? I'm deep in the game. All right, and our synthetic wig of today is, I have the Stylist Invisible Lace HD 13x6 pre-plucked 100% human hair blend. And I got her in the style Athena and in the color OET1 purple. Purple will be fun, that's what I thought. Now on the back, it says it has a realistic natural hairline, a 13x6 HD frontal, 2 times more lace than regular wigs, baby hair, a pre-plucked invisible hairline. It says a beautiful natural hairline and a realistic appearance. I will be the judge of that. And transparent lace. You did have the option to get like brown lace too for my darker skin girlies. So if you end up liking this wig, then they also have that option. And you get multi-free parting. So you can do a left part, center part, middle part, right part, I don't know, whatever you want. So straight out the package, this is what she is looking like. That's more purple than I thought it was. When I looked at it in the, can y'all tell? Can y'all tell that it's purple? It's definitely purple, guys. Oh yeah, you can see it. There we go. I thought it was black. I thought it was teetering on black. Oh, she feels nice. Okay. I don't got no tangles yet. Let's take a look at the lace. Oh, okay. I see. All right, so this is what the lace is looking like fresh out the pack. It say pre-plucked. It's not pre-plucked enough. So I'm gonna go in and pluck it some more, of course. And we're gonna have to chop these baby hairs down. They long, girl. They is long. Also, I think I should note that it's your standard breathable cap. And it's a condensed 13x6 wig. So it is 13 across, but on the sides, you only get like a ½ inch of lace. But you do get the full in the top part of your head. So just to give you guys a better look at the hairline, I have hot combed all the hairs back, baby hairs included. So yeah, she needs some work. So I'm gonna pluck her and then I'll come back to install. And just to show you guys what it looks like unplucked versus plucked. So this is what I'm gonna do to the other side. So it looks way more natural this way, at least to me. Oh, jump scare. But now that she is all plucked and ready to go, I can get to started applying. I'm gonna be using the Hair Diagram Bow Hold Liquid Gold. This is what you should be using to apply your synthetic wigs. Put the actual wig glue down. This is all you need. This is all you need. And your synthetic wigs will last a lot longer. I promise you that, okay? All right, guys, and this is Athena, fully installed, plucked her baby hair. Plucked the hairline, did some baby hairs, and flat ironed her because she had a bump in the end, and that's not really my style. What do you guys think? What are we thinking so far? I do have a couple little tips that I do have to share with you guys. So after I started plucking, it does shed, it does tangle, absolutely for sure. But it is a synthetic wig, you know what you're getting yourself into. About the color, I actually do really enjoy the color because it's a surprise me color. It's one of those, it's gonna look black. It's gonna look black. And then you're gonna hit the sun. And it's gonna be, she has color in her hair. She's coloring her hair. That's cute. It's gonna be one of those. Like, I'm not really sure if you guys can tell on camera that it's purple, but let me see. That's what I mean. You gotta be a real close up on some light. But still, it's beautiful regardless. It's beautiful regardless. It is very silky, so you can run your fingers through it with pretty much ease, as long as it's been brushed out. Plucking it was a bit of a hassle. It was kind of hard to get the hairs out. Like, they were like double knotted in there or something. Like, I don't know. And I probably spent about an hour plucking the wig. But if you just want to throw it on and go, you do you. This is about how much hair I plucked out of the wig. Plus the shedding I got while installing. But I will say, it's giving much better now. Much better for sure. One other thing I wanted to note is I really truly did wish that the side part right here had more lace. Like, if I was to pluck any of it, you'll start to see the cap. So I had to focus mostly right here, but I like to, but it's okay. I don't have to do that, or I can tuck it and then pull it forward. One of those, you know what I mean? You know, it's a synthetic wig. You work with it how you're supposed to. You get what you get and you don't pitch a fit, you know what I mean? Also, she is definitely not big head friendly. This is not a big head friendly wig at all. I would say I have a small to medium size head, and this fits like just right. Like snug, perfect, no more, no less. That's it. So if you're going with a larger size head, like 23 and up, I wouldn't try it with this one. But overall, I do think it is a beautiful wig. Like, I'm slaying. As you can see, if you want to try a new color, if you're trying to dabble in color, I definitely think this is the wig for you. This is the one to choose. I want to thank you guys so much for watching my video today. I hope you enjoyed my first synthetic wig review in like 6-7 years. But I'm Lexi Gold, your girl for everything hair, makeup, fashion, and beauty. LEXXI.GOLD on Instagram and LEXXIIIGOLD on TikTok. Catch you later.